to the KLEVR Lab, the King Library Experiential Virtual Reality Lab. It is the library's effort to provide a discipline-agnostic venue for experimentation, programming, and development, not only for faculty and staff, but to students, especially those in programs that do not utilize VR technologies. In this room, we have 2 zSpace stations, an Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and a PlayStation VR unit. It will be available in the fall semester. You can check out the keys and the headsets in the SDS office, and it'll be booked through OneSearch. And now here's Eric to talk about the PlayStation VR.
So this is the PlayStation 4 VR station, and we have the PlayStation VR headset with 2 wands to track hand motion and a webcam that tracks the person's movements. Right now what's being played is the job simulator, which is one of the many demos that we have right now. We'll be getting more games soon in the future, and Enrique is going to be talking about the HTC Vive and Oculus Rift.
Behind me are the 2 gaming PCs that we have for our 2 VR headsets, which are the HTC Vive and the Oculus Rift. Each gaming PC has an Intel i7 processor and a GTX 1080 graphics card, as well as a 128GB solid state, which has the Windows 10 operating system, and a 1TB solid state for storage. Right now, the game that Eric is playing on the HTC Vive is called The Lab, which is a collection of mini games, and right now the one he's playing is one that involves archery practice. And behind me, we have the equipment for the Oculus Rift, which will be set up soon. And now here's Alyssa to talk about the zSpace.
We have 2 zSpace augmented reality computers. With these computers, you can become a doctor and dissect the human body, or become an engineer and dissect an engine. We have these and many other educational software for you to try. If you want to learn more about the KLEVR Lab, come to the library, go to the 4th floor and ask for student computing services. We hope to see you soon.